If your ice maker was working, but now is not making ice, there is a simple diagnostic test you can run that may provide some insight on what that problem is. To run the ice maker's test mode, pull the handle to open the ice room. Remove the ice bucket. Today we'll show you how to run the test mode on two styles of ice makers. On this first model, this is the power button. Make sure it is turned on. The test button is underneath here. Below the ice tray there's a light sensor that prevents the ice bucket from overfilling. Place a towel in the ice room to catch any water or ice that may fall when you run the test mode. Press and hold the test button for about 3 seconds. The ice maker will begin to turn. If water or ice were to fall from the tray, the towel is there to catch it. The tray only holds about 4 or 5 ounces of water. Here's a different style of ice maker. On this model, there's no power switch and no tray. Even though there's no tray, you should still place a towel below the ice maker before running the test mode. On this unit, you will need a thin piece of metal, like a paper clip, to press the test mode button. You place it in the hole and press and hold the button for about 3 seconds until the arms start to turn. One note about this model of ice maker. For the first 2 hours the refrigerator has been plugged in, the ice maker test can only be run once. If you wish to run the test mode a second time after a recent installation, unplug the unit for about 30 seconds to reset the ice maker. If the refrigerator has been plugged in for more than 2 hours, test mode can be run multiple times. Running this ice maker test mode will provide 2 key pieces of information. Did the motor run? Was there water or ice in the tray? This assumes that the water supply to the refrigerator is secure and in good shape. If the answer is no to either of these questions, the refrigerator most likely needs service. Visit LG.com to find a local repair center near you.